Ethereum, close by Bitcoin and Dogecoin, is one of those digital currencies that are notable even beyond the crypto local area. Furthermore, it is justifiably. Ethereum is one of the most element-rich and intriguing blockchains out there. Other than being an unbelievably creative innovation, Ethereum is likewise an extraordinary resource for venture. Not at all like little altcoins, it has to a lesser degree an opportunity to fail spectacularly. However, it actually can possibly moon and bring its financial backers galactic benefits. In this video, we will endeavor to figure how Ethereum's cost might act from now on. If it's not too much trouble, recollect that because of the flighty and unstable nature of the digital money market, all crypto value forecasts ought to be thought about while considering other factors. This video doesn't comprise venture guidance. Our ongoing ETH to USD cost update shows the ongoing Ethereum cost as $1,802.09 USD. Though according to our Ethereum cost expectation, ETH cost is supposed to have a 0.05% reduction and drop as low as by WAC 2023. Our specialized pointers signal about the bullish 84% market opinion on Ethereum, while the trepidation and insatiability list is showing a score of 64. Over the most recent 30 days, Ethereum has had 13 30th green days and 4.64% cost instability. Ethereum Authentic Value Investigation as per the most recent information accumulated. The ongoing cost of Ethereum is $1,696.03, and ETH is by and by position No. 2 in the whole crypto biological system. The dissemination supply of Ethereum is 122,373,866 ETH, with a market cap of $207,550,105,639.11. In the beyond 24 hours, the crypto has diminished by 68 cents in its ongoing worth. Throughout the previous 7 days, ETH has been in a decent vertical pattern, in this way expanding by 11.16%. Ethereum has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of late, and this could be a decent chance to dive right in and contribute. During the last month, the cost of ETH has expanded by 8.89%, adding a titanic typical measure of $150.78 to its ongoing worth. This unexpected development implies that the coin can turn into a strong resource now on the off chance that it keeps on developing. Ethereum Value Forecast 2023. As per the specialized examination of Ethereum costs expected in 2023, the base expense of Ethereum will be $2,095.21. The most extreme level that the ETH cost can reach is $2,469.43. The typical exchanging cost is normal around $2,157.61. Likely return for money invested, 61.2% by ETH value gauge for WAC 2023 in view of the value vacillations of Ethereum toward the start of 2023. Crypto specialists expect the typical ETH pace of $1,638.04 in WAC 2023. Its base and most extreme costs can be anticipated at $1,482.03 and at $1,684.84 individually. Possible return for money invested, 10% by April 2023. Ethereum Value Gauge digital currency specialists are prepared to declare their estimate for the ETH cost in April 2023. The base exchanging cost may be $1,625.56, while the most extreme could reach $1,766.74 during this month. By and large, it is normal that the worth of Ethereum may be around $1,703.56. Likely return for capital invested, 15.3% by ETH value conjecture for May 2023. Crypto experts have really looked at the value vacillations of Ethereum in 2023 and in earlier years, so the normal ETH rate they anticipate may be around $1,737.63 in May 2023. It can drop to $1,659.62 as a base. The greatest worth may be $1,851.91. Expected return for money invested, 20.9% by June 2023. Ethereum value estimate around mid-year 2023. The ETH cost will be exchanged at $1,789.76 overall. June 2023 could likewise observe an expansion in the Ethereum worth to $1,921.43. It is accepted that the cost won't drop lower than $1,727.36 in June 2023. Expected return for capital invested, 25.4% by ETH value gauge for July 2023. Crypto specialists have examined Ethereum costs in 2023, so they are prepared to give their assessed exchanging normal to July 2023. $1,861.35. The most reduced and top ETH rates may be $1,798.95 and $2,010.91. Likely return for money invested: 31.3% by August 2023. Ethereum value gauge. Crypto investigators expect that toward the finish of summer 2023, the ETH cost will be around $1,917.19. In August 2023, the Ethereum cost might drop to at least $1,839.19. The normal pinnacle worth may be $2,085.36 in August 2023. Possible return for capital invested: 36.1% by ETH value gauge for September 2023. Having broke down Ethereum costs, cryptographic money specialists expect that the ETH rate could arrive at a limit of $2,181.22 in September 2023. It may, nonetheless, drop to $1,915.88. For September 2023, the gauge normal of Ethereum is almost $1,993.88. Possible return on initial capital investment: 42.4% by October 2023. Ethereum value estimate around mid-2023. The Ethereum cost will be exchanged at the typical degree of $2,053.69. Crypto examiners expect that in October 2023, the ETH cost could vary somewhere in the range of $1,975.69 and $2,260.98. Possible return on initial capital investment: 47.6% by ETH value estimate for November 2023. Market specialists expect that in November 2023, the Ethereum worth won't dip under at least $2,052.90. The greatest pinnacle expected for the current month is $2,363.66. The assessed typical exchanging worth will be at the degree of $2,115.31. Possible return for money invested: 54.3% by December 2023. Ethereum value figure. Digital currency specialists have painstakingly broke down the scope of ETH costs all through 2023. For December 2023, their gauge is the accompanying. The most extreme exchanging worth of Ethereum will be around $2,469.43, with a chance of dropping to at least $2,095.21. In December 2023, the normal expense will be $2,157.61. Expected return for money invested: 61.2% by Ethereum value expectation 2024. After the examination of the costs of Ethereum in earlier years, it is accepted that in 2024, the base cost of Ethereum will be around $3,027.21. The most extreme expected ETH cost might be around $3,724.77. By and large, the exchanging cost may be $3,135.09 in 2024. Ethereum value forecast 2025. In view of the specialized examination by digital money specialists in regards to the costs of Ethereum in 2025, ETH is supposed to have the accompanying least and most